Let's make some air dry clay sprinkles. Oh no. Oh no. Try again. Knead and roll. There you go. Let's try blue. And red sprinkles. Let it dry overnight. Now it's time to cut.
You knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer.
Hi there, Kitty.
And then there suddenly appeared
Kitty coming through.
I really could care in my heart.
So many sprinkles.
In my heart. In my heart.
Let's finish it up.
In my heart.
Let's add it to the fake cupcake. Use some glue to attach it on the cupcakes. Watch my video on how to make fake cupcake. Link in the description. All done. Kitty approved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. Go to my website, joincrafting.com for more fun DIY tutorials.